I'm making Huevos Divorciados for breakfast, or divorce eggs. They're very simple to make. Fried 2 eggs, easy over medium to your taste. When the eggs are done, lower the fire, pour your favorite salsa. You must pour 2 because they're divorced. One with salsa Verde, salsa Brava Verde, and the other one with salsa Brava Roja. And there you have it, divorce eggs. I might take a taste of a little bit of both. Delicious, spicy, divorce eggs. Have a good breakfast today. Have divorce eggs. Until the next one, and thank you.